That's not what that.
That's not what that says right there. Be careful what you do.
All I'm asking is that you be calm when you talk to her. That's all I'm asking.
Okay, you know, since you've asked,
Really loud.
since you've asked, I'm going to respectfully decline because that is a request.
And I think
okay?
it's respectful.
So
I just want you to be calm when you talk to her.
I can be whatever I want. I'm not going to be calm, number one, because you guys have illegally charged me. I know that doesn't matter to you, right? Because you're the one with the badge. But I have a right to be angry about what I'm dealing with. She's avoiding my questions. She's not answering my questions, okay? She's making it extremely difficult for me to defend myself in this case. And she's telling me what I'm going to do. You know what I'm saying?
Is that you be calm when you talk to her.
I am calm right now. I'm calm right now. So calm is not...
This is what I'm going to say. I want to just make sure that I understand what you're saying, and what I understand you to say is that in this Orwellian society, it's okay to be...
Are you denying me service, ma'am?
No, but we aren't going to be recorded back here. So.
You aren't going to be recorded. A public official in the performance of her public duties...
compliant with Turner versus Driver?
Are you sure you want to do this? Because now I'm really pursuing this. And by the way, my lawyer is David Lane.
So here we are at the Elbert Clownty Injustice Center. This is the same structure that houses the murderer, Deputy Christopher Dickey, who tasered Matthew Poore, a decorated Green Beret veteran.
Please stand over here at the closed window, which was just closed on us, and we've been refused service.
At the twerk of court. They misspell everything out here. Twerk of court. The twerk of court doesn't agree with Turner versus Driver, which was the Supreme Court of the United States. SCOTUS themselves said, you can record public officials in the performance of their duty in public places. And this is a public lobby, which means we can record. The reason why they've shut down on us and this officer over here, who is, by the way, a co-terrorist.
I need your card, by the way, since you felt you need to get involved. Since you felt you need to get involved, I need your card.
I don't have a card.
You have to have a card because you're armed and you're in uniform, so you be out of uniform.
I'm not armed.
You're not armed?
You're not armed?
What is that?
It looks like a taser to me.
Hi, guys.
What's the issue, guys?
What's that?
What's the issue?
No issue.
We're not having an issue. Do you have a
Sure
card on you?
Yeah, I'm positive about that. Are you sure about that?
So they were here to get paperwork
Are you?
for one of their cases.
He doesn't know that. He's
Started
incorrect.
getting real irate with her, caused her to close the window. I asked them to be calm. They told me they're not going to be calm. So that's pretty much where we sit now. They
Is there a
stopped talking
statute
to
that
me.
prohibits the public from
Is
being
there,
uncalm?
is there a calm law? I've never heard of that one. Gee, I dabble with laws all the time.
It's just common courtesy.
Courtesy.
Common courtesy, was it common courtesy to taser Matthew Poore to death?
Yeah, is it common courtesy to deny service to the people of
Is
the
it common
US?
courtesy to charge 25 cents for a document that costs you 0.6 cents according to the state contract?
And to an indigent man who can't afford it, and he is legally
Guys,
indigent.
that's
but-
their policy as far as, if you guys want stuff printed, they'll.
That's not their policy. Their policy is the law. The law is 24-72-306.
Well, that's what they charge for copies, so if you guys want copies.
Well, why are they
that's great.
violating
If
the
not,
law?
You guys gotta go.
Also, I need your card and I need your card before I go.
I don't have one right now.
Because I want to know who it is that I am complaining
You guys look
about
armed
that says that
and
your
you're required to
policies
carry your
are
cards every
higher
time
than
you're
those
armed.
laws already stated by the Supreme Court of the United States, the Constitution, and higher laws than you. So can I please have your card and your card before I leave? I am willing to leave and I don't want any trouble with you guys. I just need your cards before I go. Are you refusing to identify
No,
yourself?
I'll give you my name and my badge number. Hang on a second.
Outstanding.
Great.
That's
And
at
yours
least the
too.
bare minimum.
And yours too, because you felt you came over here that you needed to be a backup. So I want your name too, because I will find it out. You can bet that. I will FOIA you, and
Like
then I
how
will
he's
embarrass
laughing?
you publicly everywhere. Because you know what? The internet is amazing. It makes you, it turns you from a hero to a zero in seconds.
It says posse. They can't even spell pussy in this county.
What is that, a posse? What is that? That's kind of scary coming from law enforcement. A posse, really? You part of the posse?
Are you going to identify yourself, minion?
Holland Beach.
You got it.
He's got a seal beat.
1608.
Thank you.
All right, guys, I'm Deputy Vanis.
1608.
1403.
All
Here you guys
right.
go.
And
Thank you,
Mr. Tran,
1403.
could you write your information down?
Yep.
And since you have your pen hot and in hot standby all day.
Here's another splendid uniform. Making all that money and security. I've seen security
Write
guards
down
that wear
this
uniforms
menu.
better than this guy. Look at
You need to know what you're talking about.
Look at him. He looks like a hobo with that beard. You
guys go.
know what
I
I'm
am a
saying?
volunteer with the sheriff's office. I pay for my own uniforms. I pay for my own duty belt. I pay for my own taser. I pay for my own equipment. Shut your mouth up.
Oh, you're the worst kind of American. You're the guy that enjoys being an
Since you have your
enslaver.
pen in hot standby, I need to write down his information too, please.
Need his last name.
Yeah.
And he
Yeah,
gave
please.
a number and I don't remember it and I can't trust that our recording will be.
Okay, everyone, basically what he just admitted, he's the guy that, he's not good enough to be a cop or, you know, or anything else, so he has to give the worst.
What's your?
I already gave it to him.
That's great that he already gave it to him,
There's his
but,
last name. You have it on the video.
so well, we can't trust that you're not gonna take our video. What if we drop our
I
camera?
gave it to him.
Holland beat.
I gave it to him. You got it.
So
That's enough.
I'm asking for your badge number.
I already gave it to you guys.
I'm sorry, Mimi, what was that
I
again?
already gave it to you.
Well, I suppose now we wait until we can get that number again in a form that I can record, in a form that I can memorialize in pen and paper. So I suppose.
It's real easy, I gotta just say it again there. Come on, I know your ego's killing you, I know
it's
it.
definitely killing
I know
me.
you notice that your badge is not the ultimate authority on the earth, so.
I did give him credit, he started to say the F word, but he stopped himself. Not that the F word would particularly insult me, I mean, I can't really hold somebody to the F word.
Hey, guys, 1608.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. You know how easy that was? Man, it's like pulling teeth. It's like going to the dentist with you guys to get your name and your badge numbers. But you guys are so quick to spew out all that shit when you want to throw your authority everywhere, right? When you want to throw all your bully authority.
So we're gonna go, what's that?
Said have a wonderful day.
Oh, we're not done yet.
Beautiful day.
We're not done, we're not done.
It
but
is a
thank you.
beautiful day.
Yeah.
You know what's going to be an even more beautiful day? When all you guys are sitting at the witness booth, you know, the witness stand. That's going to
You
be great.
know what's even better than that is the defendant stand.
Yeah, the defendant stand. That's what I'm
I'll look at the defendant's table.